Hi guys, welcome to back our channel. Today we have a storytelling to hear. You will hear. Okay, we have to start Ashley to her favorite ever and ever book, and she will be first be the storytelling. I hope you like her story. Now we have to start. Now there's Ashley.
Hi. Good good afternoon. Good evening. Sorry. The chicks that was hot. There were 6 eggs and hens. Nest. Chip chip out popped 5 chicks. My family cried hen. One egg then hatched. It's rolled out of the nest. Stop that egg, called hen. The egg kept going. It rolled over and over, past the pig pen. The egg rolled in the shed and hit the wall crack. The chick that won has hatched. My baby hen cried. Mom, said the chicks, what a ride I had. Yes, said hen, and what a run we had. Cut out 2 eggs chips, cut the other in half. Do you like animals? Do you like rattles? If you do, then get to gaggle. I'm the rattle pickle my words will patch a giggle in your middle. What animal can you play ball? Do you get it? You can play ball with a bat. A bat is an animal too. What fish likes to drink milk? Answer at catfish. Think of things till the time. I watch dog. Do you get it? I watch tells the time. A watchdog is an animal. What does Del do when his friend tickle him? You know this one? Word you. Now it's time for you to think of some other riddle. Share them with your friends and family. I also go to the market with mom and dad. We sell lots of fruits and vegetables from our farm. As we start out this morning, the stars are still out. Wait. Fox moaned and groaned as he roared home. I'm so hungry. This is my reward for drinking a friend. Last Fox. So that being kind to others is the right things to do. Bye. The end.
Hi guys, it's me turn Zaya. Ashley has finished her storytelling book. And this is my favorite book, The Cinderos. Okay. Now, this is the book. Okay. The Big Trip. The title of the story is The Big Trip. by Valery Govorich. I'm going to take a trip far away. Pig said to Goat one day. How will you go? Asked Goat. Let me think. For a moment, said Pig. Maybe I'll go bite that whale. Be very nice trip. Oh dear, said Goat. You could fall off a bike. Ah, said the pig. Then I will drive a car. It's not a good idea, Pig, said Goat. A car, a break down. Oh, said Pig. Then I will go by horse on my trip. I'm not sure about that, said Goat. Horses can be very jumpy. Okay, said Pig. Go by donkey cart. A donkey is very quiet. Not good, not good, said the Goat. Donkeys can very stubborn. It's very lucky. Then I'll go by the train, said Pig. Oh, Pig, oh, Pig, said Goat. A train could get stuck in a tunnel. Good point, Goat, said Pig. Then I will fly plane. She's flying a plane. What if the engine stopped, said Goat. You have to practice through, said Pig. Then I will go by hot air balloon. The hot air balloon could have a hole, said Goat. Okay, I will not travel by land. I will not travel by air. I will go by sea, said Pig, on a ship. Oh no, exclaimed Goat. Don't do it, the ship could run into reef when passing through fog, or run into heavy storm at sea. And there are sharks all around at sea. So many you can't count them. And you could find yourself alone on desert island in the middle of the ocean with pirates that could come and desert island pirates. Stop, 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 explained Pig. I could fall on a bike, break down in a car, thrown in a horse, never get a donkey. Stuck in a train, might a particle from a plane, from hot air balloon, and traveling ship on when trouble. So I will anywhere, said Pig. Having a big trip is very scary thing, unless it goes looking at Pig. You go with a friend. The end. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Comment and subscribe if you like. Comment below. Say I like your. If you like the video, comment I like your video so much, like that, and emoji like that. So subscribe and leave a comment. Bye. Bye bye. Ashley. Ashley. Bye bye.
Hi, this is my
Hello. Bye bye.
this is my fellows.